Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, Doctor. My name is Muhammad RIDZWAN bin Muhammad NOOR from Group 5 and we will present about our mini project. The title of our mini project is Penny Alarm in the Shopping Mall. The components that we use: battery 9V, 555 timer rate, 2 resistor 1k ohm, resistor 4.7k ohm, resistor 10.0k ohm, 2 resistors 100k ohm, capacitor 10 microfarad, transistor, probe, buzzer, ground and push button. This is our multi-sim circuit before running. The circuit show on how to connect each components together. Each components had their own function. First of all, the battery are the source of energy which provides a voltage of energy to get the current flowing in circuit. Next, the 555 timer used to generate single pulses of long time delays of as a realization oscillation, producing a string of established waveform of varying duty cycles from 50 to 100%. 6 resistors are used to limit the current flow from battery and provide only required biasing to the vital active part like the transistor and IC timer. Then a capacitor used in this project to store and release electricity in a circuit. It also passes alternating current without passing direct current. Transistor used as a simple switch with it drive the current across the collector emitter trajectory only when a voltage is applied to the base. Probe is used as signal if the complete circuit fully running, and buzzer is used as the siren of the penny alarm. Lastly, the push button used for people in the mall to trigger the alarm. This is our multi-sim circuit after running. The probe is switched on, which means that the buzzer can be heard. In this circuit, the current flow the battery when someone press the button to each resistor to limit the current flowing that can damage other components. Then the current flowing into 555 timer and capacitor. From the timer, the current continuously flow to output pin and went to the probe and buzzer, same as the current from battery. Since the current can be seen, probe is used to know if the current flow to buzzer or not. If the current flow to the buzzer, the probe will switch on after someone press the button. From this project, the penny alarm is complete successfully.